Discover the charm of the Blue Ridge Mountains living in this inviting 3-bedroom 2-bath with a bonus room 1-story country home, perfectly situated on 1.5 acres of gently rolling land. Located just a short drive from the heart of downtown Blue Ridge, this property offers the ideal blend of privacy, comfort, and convenience. This home is situated on a quiet paved road with seasonal mountain views. Whether you're sipping coffee on the porch, enjoying the open yard, or experiencing nearby trails and waterfalls, this home is a true retreat in the North Georgia mountains. Outside, enjoy expansive yard, ideal for gardening, outdoor gatherings, or simply soaking in the mountain air. Whether you're looking for a full-time residence, weekend getaway, or investment opportunity, this property offers endless potential. Located just minutes from downtown Blue